Dear students, today I will show you how to solve problems with graphing on ConnectMath. And today we're going to solve problem from 2.6 homework. Let's solve problem number 11. So we have to use transformations to graph this function. So I will say y equals -1/3 times x plus 4 squared plus 3. The main thing here is this square. It means our parent function is y equals x squared. And you can see the graph is on ConnectMath. Now we have to perform several transformations to draw the resulting graph. And we're going to do it based on the order of the operations. And the first operation is addition. So we add 4 directly to x. It means we're changing x. And x-axis is a horizontal axis. Then we move our graph horizontally. If it's +4, then we move it to the left 4 units. Now I'm going to use these options. This option means moving graph. Okay, click and move 4 units to the left. So now the vertex is at the -4, 0. Now the next operation is, well, it's squaring what we already have parabola. Next operation is multiplication. We're multiplying 1/3 times this square. So we're multiplying all the square times number. It means we either stretch or compress vertically. Since 1/3 is a number between -1 and +1, then it will be compression, vertical compression. So all y coordinates will be multiplying by 1/3, or I can say dividing by 3. So on our menu, we choose vertical, stretch or compress, click, and 1 point is given. So we use this point to compress this graph 3 times. So y coordinate is 9. Then multiply 9 times 1/3. Or the same as we divide 9 by 3, we're getting 3. So this point becoming point with y coordinate 3, but x coordinate still the same. Now we're done with this operation. Minus. This minus is in front of all this thing, in front of square. So it means that we're going to reflect this graph, and its reflection about x-axis. So there's 2 kinds of reflection. This is a vertical reflection about y-axis, and this is a horizontal reflection about x-axis. So we choose this one. We're done with this. And the last operation, +3. So we're adding 3 to all this thing. It means we're moving graph vertically. And since it's a plus, we move this graph up 3 units up. Again, we use this option and move this graph 3 units up. Here it is. Check the answer. Yes.